Hello everyone. This is a short Qigong practice. It's to help release headache and migraine. First, we're going to practice some slow, gentle movements, release tension. Then we're going to self-massage acupuncture point. Let's begin. Hip sink. Step open to left, shoulder width apart. Roll shoulder blades back, sinking down. Long inhale, arms up, overhead. Exhale, guide the energy from top head, 100-meter point, center of the body, to sole of your feet, the Yongquan Acupuncture Point. Interlace your fingers, lift the hands, press the hands up, look up, look forward. Continue pushing the hands up. And arms, draw a circle down from side. Interlace fingers. We're looking up more rather than looking down. Relax the muscles behind your neck. Look forward. Hands pushing up, shoulders down, arms, draw a circle down. Hip sink. Look forward, hands behind your neck. Open the elbows, lift chin, chest, look up. Looking down, back neck relaxed. Look up. Chin up, look down. Elbows open, lift chin, chest, look up. Look down, back neck relaxed. Coming back to center, knees no twist, hip sink. Twist the chest and neck from CT junction. And try looking back the left elbow. Coming back. Twist to your right side. Looking back the right elbow. Coming back. Fingers open. So your thumb. Fight the peak muscles, same line as the ear loft, with peak muscles behind the head skull, called the Feng Shi Acupressure Point, the Windpool point. Use the thumb, press in, rubbling massage. Gentle breath in, 1, 2, 3. Breathing out, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands slightly press into the point and lift the chin up. Return to center. Rubbling massage. 1, 2, 3. Press down firmly. 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming back. Rubbling, massaging. 1, 2, 3. Press the thumb firmly into the Feng Shi Acupressure Point and lift the chin up, so slightly compress into the thumb. And release. Now, your fingers relaxed. So, middle ring fingers find the beginning of the eyebrow. Zan Zu Acupressure Point. Rubbling, massaging. Both direction. Slightly pressure fingertips on the top of the eye socket. Slide down to side of your temple. 3 fingers. So first, middle ring fingers, rubbling, massaging. 太阳穴, press in, 3, 4, 5. Rubbling, massaging, 1, 2, 3. Press it in firmly, 3, 2, 1. Change direction. Relax your hands down. Next acupuncture point is Gu. Cross your thumbs. So this point will be between your first and thumb between the gap. Press the opposite side thumb into the gap. Another easy way to find the point is close your thumb and first fingers together. This point will be pick muscles. So use the thumb, press in the other fingers underneath your palm. Rubbling massage. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press down firmly to 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Rubbling, massaging, and pressing down firmly. 4, 3, 2, 1. This point will help all the aching, headache, migraine, when your tooth ache, anyway you feel stomach ache. Rubbling, massaging, and then press down firmly. That's quite strong. You can feel a little bit sore and ache. Both sides repeat. Each acupuncture point, rubbling massage 2 to 3 minutes. So it will help release some of your headache and migraine. And also drinking plenty of water and sleep well. Sleep a bit early also help release the headache and migraine as well. When you finish, just relax, shaking your arms, kicking your legs. Relax the joints and muscles. A long breath in conveys vital energy. Breath out, convey down to lower dantian, lower abdomen. And step your left foot in. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope this short practice will help release some tension, headache, and migraine. I'm looking forward to seeing you in next video.